What's up, YouTube? It's Murphy Firearms Training here, and I got something the other day that I want to play with. So I have been loading double-aught buck from Hornady, and 8 pellets of those weighs about an ounce, and 9 pellets of those weighs about 1 1/8 an ounce, and I can use that to kind of create my own buckshot load data. But I got something the other day, and I was playing with it, and I kind of want to just see, and so I got some number 4 buckshot. So number 4 buckshot. And so I'm going to kind of just show you guys some things and go from there. So I've got my scale here, and I'm going to go ahead and zero my scale. And your typical load for double-aught buck, I think I've showed you guys this before, but when you stack these in the wad, they love to go 2 this way, 2 this way, 2 this way, and 2 this way. It's a great way to load 8 pellet buck. Okay, it's a great way to load 8 pellet buck, or you can use a brush wad and load 9 pellet buck. And I hate to throw stuff in my pan with it on the scale, so I'm going to pull that off. 430 grains, which comes up to be pretty much dead on an ounce, 430 grains. And if I add a 9th pellet, we're at about 485, which is just shy of 1 1/8. Okay, so 1 ounce, 1 1/8 ounce, and so you can use that load data to kind of develop your buckshot load. Well, I got this number 4 buck, and I want to show you a couple of things. First of all, how many of these make an ounce? So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see, keep going. 10, that's 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so let's see, 19, 20. So 20 pellets, 21. So 21 pellets is about 430 grains, okay? And then 485 was the 9 pellet. So 22, 23, so around 23 or 24, looks like about 23 of these. So about 23 of these would be 9 pellet, and about 21 of these would be 8 pellet, okay? So keep that in mind. All right, now, that was the first thing. The second thing is I take my wad here, and I'm going to just show you guys this. So what I found out playing with these, and this is the kind of stuff that I do, is how do these stack in the wad to make, because if you get a nice stack in the wad, let's see if I can get it to go on camera here. There we go. Beautiful. It makes this nice star shape here. Okay. So you get 5 pellets, lay flat. You can drop 1 in the middle. That's 6. And then you can go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And those 5 lay flat. Okay. So that's 11 pellets. 12. Drop 1 in the center. 13, 14, 15, keep going, 16, 17, okay, 17 pellets. So 21 pellets is equal to 8 pellet. I'm at 17. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So you could stop at 17 and be slightly under an 8 pellet recipe, but remember 23 pellets was basically equal to 9 pellet double-aught buck. So this gets this nice, neat, efficient stack of 23 pellets. I think this will pattern extremely well, and it's basically equal to 9 pellet buck. So I am going to load some of these as test shells using 9 pellet double-aught buck load data. The payload is equal. Actually, how far it extends out of the wad is pretty much equal to what you would get for birdshot or 8 pellet buck. Okay, so you see it just sticks out of the shot cup there, if you're familiar with shot cup depth. So I'm going to give these a try. I'm going to use 9 pellet load data and see what I can get with this. So anyway, number 4 buck. It stacks real neat in the cup, and hopefully it will pattern really well. And if it does, well, we'll know that's a really cool way to load some buckshot.